Welcome back to Academia Barilla. I am Matteo Carboni and I'm going to present you today's recipe that will be eggplant rolls with prosciutto and pecorino cheese. The ingredients that we need are eggplant, prosciutto, pecorino cheese and chives. I've chosen this long eggplant because we need to obtain long slices like this. The best way is using a slicer, so you can have thin slices of eggplant that can cook very quickly. You can also decide to use a knife, but you have to be really careful and not in a hurry at all to obtain the same kind of slices. Once we have the slices, we brush them on both sides with a bit of extra virgin olive oil, and then we grill them. The grill has to be really hot, and the eggplant have been sliced so thinly because they can cook quickly. It will take less than 1 minute for each side to cook perfectly. Once the eggplant are cooked, they need a couple of minutes to cool down. After that time, we can start assembling our dish. We start with the eggplant slice, sprinkle on top a bit of pecorino cheese, and then the slice of prosciutto di Parma. I didn't put any seasoning on the eggplant before because I've been using prosciutto and pecorino cheese as well that are really flavory and tasty. Maybe the eggplant will need some pepper and salt just at the end. Once we've made the roll, we take a chive and tie up the roll. 4 or 5 rolls could be a good antipasto, generous antipasto, and can be served with a fresh salad dressed with extra virgin olive oil and balsamic must.